Hi guys, today I'm sitting in the office of an ACCA approved employer called as Incorp India. Incorp is a financial service organization. They have various service verticals like audit, assurance, advisory, investment banking, taxation, etc. They're headquartered in Singapore and they've got offices across Southeast Asia. And today we are having a campus recruitment drive with Incorp India for our ACCA students. Now, some of the candidates asked me, what is an ACCA approved employer? And I thought that I'll quickly create a video and explain to you what an ACCA approved employer is. Now, just the way the ACCA has a process of approving learning providers, okay, where they see the quality of the tuition and they give a silver, gold, platinum status. They also have the concept of an approved employer. So what the ACCA would do is go to top organizations, see their quality, see their standards, and then give an approval. And then they work closely with these organizations to get ACCA candidates recruited and placed in various service verticals. तो आप actually ACCA के website पे जाओगे तो as you see on the screens, you can see a list of ACCA approved employers. Every country they've got a list, and typically आपके Ernst & Young, KPMG, PwC, Deloitte, Shell, Accenture, Credit Suisse, it's about regular employers as you see some very big names, including Incorp. So the advantage of working with an ACCA approved employer is that they have a history of hiring ACCA candidates. They understand ACCA as a qualification. They understand the applications of ACCA to workplace, and usually you will see a lot of ACCA pursuing candidates or completed students and members working in these organizations. So whilst you're doing your ACCA or after you finish your ACCA, while you're of course free to work in any organization that you would want, but if you have an ACCA approved employer as your starting point, it's just easier to get in because they understand the qualification very well, okay? And like I said, there's a list for you that you can check from. Another one last quick thing is that if you work with an ACCA approved employer, आपका जो PER का process होता है gets a little easier. The documentation you need to do is a notch easier. All right, so that's with this content. So if you have any other queries on how to reach out to these ACCA approved employers, reach out to us and we are happy to help.